right, I want to introduce you to my son Alex. He is here today to help me teach you how to do some cake pop rolling and sticking. Alex, have you ever done this before?
Nah.
Have you ever wanted to do this before?
Nah.
Have you ever seen me do this before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right, well that's good enough then. Let's go ahead and get started. First I want to talk to you about the pan. We're going to use a metal pan, a little square metal pan. We're going to take some wax paper and we're going to just cut that to the size of our pan, put that right down there in the middle, and we are ready to start rolling. All right, first I'm going to tell you about the spoon. This is just a tablespoon that you have in your kitchen, like the kind you eat cereal with, right? That size. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our spoon and we're going to dip it into the cake pop dough. All right, and it's just gonna, you just want to sort of want a rounded amount. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna knead the dough in our hand. The reason we're kneading it is because we're trying to get all the cracks out of the dough. When you start to put the sticks into the cake pop, if there's cracks in it, it can cause problems. So we're just gonna knead it a little bit, then we're gonna start rolling it. All right, let's roll it around in our hands. All right, Alex, let me see it. All right, we've got a little bit of cracks there, so what we're going to do is we're going to start rolling it again. Knead it some more, you're right. Thank you, and then we're going to start rolling it again. How does that look? Let me see. Well, sort of looks like a flying saucer. Roll it just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now let's look at it. All right, looks pretty good. Now we're just going to shape it with our fingers. If you don't have the perfect round shape, just sort of push it in with your fingers to make it that round, lovely cake pop shape. All right, then we're going to put it right down onto our tray. All right, go ahead and put it right down there. All righty, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take just a little bit of melted candy melts, all right? And we're going to take our stick and we're going to dip the tip into our the candy. All right, yep, that's right. Now, what you're going to do, Alex, is you're just going to stick that about... Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to use yours. There you go. All right, you're going to stick it about halfway down the middle of that cake pop.
Yeah.
Beautiful. No, you don't want to pick... Well, you can. Folks, he did it. Yay!
Yeah.
All right, let's put it back down before we have a disaster. So, that is how you're going to roll and stick the cake pops. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this into the freezer for 15 minutes. Once we pull that out of the freezer, we'll be ready to coat it with our candy coating.
And eat it.
And eat it. Oh yes, that's his favorite part. Which one's yours?
Mom.
Okay. All right.
The microphone.
The microphone is not off.
3.
This is